and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do round 15 of the fingerless glove pattern. You're going to start with 6 half double crochets. Remove that stitch marker. Oops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now you will do a half double crochet decrease. I'll show you how to do that. You start the same as a half double crochet, so you yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, insert your hook into the next stitch since you're combining them together, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5. And that is your half double crochet decrease, which is just combining 2 stitches into 1. So you're decreasing. And then after that you do 12 half double crochets, so you're going into the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and now you're ready for another half double crochet decrease. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you have 3 on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you have 5. Yarn over and pull through all 5 stitches, and another half double crochet decrease completed, and then you finish up with 7 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and make sure that you have your 27 stitches around. Hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.